Acapulco went riding out one dark and windy day. Upon a ridge he rested as he went along his way, when all at once a mighty herd of red-out cows he saw fly through the ragged sky and up a cloudy draw. Their hooves are made of iron and their horns are made of steel. Their brands were still on fire and their hot breath he could feel. A bolt of fear went through him as they thundered through the sky, for he saw the riders coming hard and hear the mournful cry. Yippee-yi-yi, yippee-yi-yo, ghost riders in the sky. Their faces gone, their eyes was blurred, their shirts were soaked with sweat. They riding hard to catch that herd, but he ain't caught him yet, 'cause he got to ride forever on that range up in the sky, on horses snorting fire. As they ride on me they cry, yippee-yi-yi,